Greetings, friend adventurers. Step into the magical realm of Iran, where history dances with poetry and culture weaves a tapestry of wonder. As we embark on our virtual journey through the enchanting streets and hidden corners of this ancient country, let your senses awaken to the sights, sounds, and scents that define Iran's unique charm. From the grandeur of its architectural marvels to the serenity of its lush gardens, every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Join us as we wander through time and space, exploring the soul of Iran and unraveling its mysteries one step at a time. So put on your virtual walking shoes, open your heart to the beauty that surrounds you, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to join us on this captivating exploration of Iran's secrets and delights. Let's dive into the magic together. Emammat Street in Mashhad is one of the most visited streets of this city and is located in Emamat neighborhood. This street has various stores, restaurants, cafes, and shopping centers. Among the tourist attractions near Emammat Street, we can mention the holy shrine of Imam Reza, Bakilabad Park, Mellat Park, and Mashhad Grand Bazaar. As one of the shopping and entertainment centers of Mashhad, this street is always very attractive for visitors. Now we are walking in this street. As you can see, there are various shops here, but mostly they sell clothes. You can see what kind of clothes Iranian people mostly buy and how the shops decorate and make their decor for better sales. Also, the price of clothes in Iran is very cheap. For example, a pair of jeans or a shirt costs about $5. Likewise, on Emammat Street in Mashhad, you can see luxury and classy shops that offer high-quality goods, and Iranian people are busy shopping and eating until late at night.
بفرم. انواع تیشرت های سایز بزرگ، سایز کوچیک بفرم. جدیدترین مدل ها ریشه بهاره بفرم.
آقای محترم خرید عینک داریم خانم داخل میرم فقط شده سم 50 سیگارهای الکترونیکی ویپ جواب نداد گفت صبح بیاد